Hi everyone, today is my birthday and I'm doing a quick unboxing. I have already unboxed it and just want to show it to you guys as well. So I did purchase this item through eBay. I purchased this item through eBay and it came with the box and the dust bag, and eBay already also sent a separate dust bag, which just looks like they sent two dust bags actually. I don't know if it's because of the holidays or what have you. First dust bag looks like this, which is just a thick nice white with eBay embroidered onto that, and then the other one, which I put in the bottom, this is more of like a velvety feel, really soft, really plush blanket material, and I think this is supposed to be either a dust bag or like a shopping bag. I don't know. But anyways, this is the box. As you can see, it is from Chanel. This item is vintage, and I've owned it in the past, but now this is a different color. And again, this is a vintage from I want to say 2015 Chanel, small chevron flap with the medallion CC detail right here. This medallion right here. This is in the brushed gold hardware in this very pretty light pink chevron crinkled material. Let me scoot forward, show the detail. It has this little I want to say like limited edition stamp right here. Again, the medallion, it is a single flap, black interior, and you can see this really crinkled look to it. All gold hardware. I like to think that this CC is oversized. Let me get one of my other bags to show the difference. Here is my Chanel Kelly, and as you can see, the CCs are completely different. This is definitely more considered of an oversized, and I really love this. I know there's other pink Chanel bags out there, but I really do enjoy this style. And I don't know if you guys have been a subscriber for a while, you know that I've owned this in the other colors that it came out with, which was the black and the white cream. I've owned both of those in the bigger size, which is the medium, and in the small size, which is this size. But I returned the white one because I just felt like it was turning yellow on me, and I didn't really like that. But this one, I saw it and I thought it was a pretty good price. However, it's been painted over, so I don't know if I'm keeping her yet. As you can see, there's, again, because it is vintage, she's a little bit older, there is some cracking and peeling on the straps, and as you can see, it has been, this, you can definitely see that it's been painted over or refreshed, however you want to say that. But yeah, I don't know. Tell me your guys' opinion and if I should keep it or just send it back. It is really cute. I do love this color and this style and this bag.
Your favorite color is purple.
I know, but this is super cute.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do some mod shots. I am 4'11". This is with both straps on the shoulders. This is my waist, so the bottom of the bag hits me at the waist. And then because it is a single flap, you can just pull the straps through, and this is how it this is how it This is how it looks crossbody, and again, this is my waist, and it hits me right at the hip, the bottom of the bag. So this is where I want it to hit as a crossbody. So I really like that. I don't know. Tell me your guys' opinion if I should keep it or not, but she is so cute. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.